what was interesting about everything that we saw so far is that everything was based on an augmented reality technology called surface detection. The camera would recognize a floor, right? We'll triangulate some surface like a wall or a floor or a table and project the 3D models on top of it. Another technology that we support is image recognition. Basically, the camera recognizes an image. So let's see how that works. So now I'm going to press the same QR code, but I'm going to do, instead of see on the floor, I'm going to see on an image. And now I'm going to scan this QR code instead. You can do that the same way with your phone. Try that. If the previous thing didn't work for you, try this example. This different QR code. Again, just put your phone in front of it, scan it. But the cool thing about what we have right now is now the 3D model will be overlaid on the image, which would be this target, that target image of the QR code instead of the floor. So now I'm going to put this phone in front of the image and bam, we see the same building, but now overlays that image, right? It overlays my screen because the image is on top of it, but not the floor. So two different applications with AR. We worked with a company, for example, that used those QR codes to put them around town. That was actually a hackathon participant. He would put QR codes around town. Every time you scan them, you see a video on COVID and 3D models of COVID. But at the back end, he would actually monitor how many people are scanning the QR codes to enforce social distancing. So that was a really, really cool project.